how do you treat aphasia? So you should be doing speech therapy. If you have aphasia, find a speech therapist. And, some speech therapists work with kids. That's not who you want. You want somebody who knows how to work with adults, specifically adults with aphasia. So you can always ask that when you're calling around. How many years experience do you have working with people with aphasia, right? For you or your loved one who has aphasia. It can look like a lot of different things. So off the top of my head, there's three modalities. Basically, you can do like talking therapy, like conversational. You can do written stuff, so stuff on paper. And you can also use technology like apps. So I use the Tactus therapy apps all the time in my therapy. They're great. They can be used in so many different ways, and they have such a good variety of images and hints and words. So I really like them. Before you get them, if you're going to get them as a person with aphasia or for a loved one, you can go to their website and check them out. You can ask your speech therapist to to talk you through how to use them. And that way you feel more confident when you purchase the apps, like that you know how to use them in ways that are beneficial to you. So in addition to apps, there's websites, there's workbooks. You can find some on Amazon. And there's all kinds of groups where you can practice speaking. So maybe you can go in person, but there's a lot of groups online for Zoom. And so all of these are just ways to practice your speech and your language. And the best way to get better is to do speech therapy. I know it's uncomfortable sometimes because it feels so difficult, but stick with it. So to do speech therapy, and then just to practice talking as best you can with communication partners, friends, families, strangers that you see in the grocery store, anything that kind of you can practice. And you don't have to do it every single time you're out in public. You can pick and choose what you're going to do so that it's manageable and realistic to you.